We are discussing method of DNA sequencing, and here we will discuss bridge PCR sequencing. Here DNA molecule, first of all, is divided into small fractions, and then they are combined with adapter molecules at both ends. And in next step, double-stranded DNA molecule is denatured so that it is changed from double-stranded into single-stranded molecules, and then floated on flow cell, which permit binding of the fragments with the adapters. Then DNA strands are extended using DNTPs, dinucleotide triphosphates, DNA polymerase, and this process is repeated again and again so that we have clusters of double-strand DNA molecules produced, and reverse strands, they are cleaved and finally removed by washing. Here, fluorescently labeled DNTPs were used so that they are detected with the help of some detector. For the detection of each nucleotide in the strand, one labeled nucleotide in a strand, of course, that will produce weak signal, and it will be very hard to detect that signal. So that is why there is a need for amplification of DNA sequences and production of dense clusters having millions of unique locations per unit area on the flow cell. तो जाहिर है इसको हम इसलिए ब्रिज PCR सीक्वेंसिंग करते हैं कि हम इसमें जो हमारे डिजायर्ड जो सेगमेंट्स होते हैं उनको हम एम्पलीफाई कर सकते हैं, and in this way we produce millions of copies of those strands per unit area on the flow cell, and then they produce visible colored signal which is easily detectable. And this takes place in the Illumina genome analyzer sequencers, which is an automated flow cell processor. तो जाहिर है यहाँ हम साथ एम्पलीफिकेशन भी करते हैं, और एम्पलीफिकेशन के साथ साथ जो हम DNTPs यूज़ करते हैं वो फ्लोरेसेंटली लेबल्ड होते हैं, और जाहिर है उनको हम बाद में डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो जब बहुत ज़्यादा क्लस्टर्स एक पर्टिकुलर स्टैंड के बन जाते हैं, तब वो एक विजिबल जो सिग्नल होता है वो प्रोड्यूस होता है, जिसकी मदद से उनको डिटेक्ट करना पॉसिबल होता है.